Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update review notes and release descriptions in App Store Connect, complete guide step by step clearly. To update review notes and release descriptions in App Store Connect, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the App Store Connect website and log in with your Apple developer account credentials. Once logged in, you will see the App Store Connect dashboard. Locate and select the My Apps option from the main menu. Choose the app for which you want to update the review notes and release descriptions. In the App Details page, find the App Store tab on the left-hand side. Click on that App Store tab to access your app's listing information. Scroll down to the Version Information section. Select the specific version of your app that you want to update. In the Version Details, locate the What's New in this version field. Enter or edit the release description in this field to reflect the latest changes and features. Next, find the Review Notes section, typically located below the version description. Input any additional notes for the review team that are relevant to the current version. Review your entries to ensure accuracy and clarity. If necessary, make any revisions for readability and completeness. Once you are satisfied with the updates, scroll down to the top of the page. Click the Save button to apply your changes. After saving, confirm that the updates have been successfully applied. If you're ready to submit your version for review, navigate to the Submit for Review button. Click that button to initiate the review process for your updated app version. Your review notes and release descriptions have now been successfully updated in App Store Connect. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.